In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect JBL headphones to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use any JBL headphones on your PC or laptop. You will be able to connect them using a cable, so a wired connection, or wirelessly, depending on the model and the options that you have available. So first, I'm going to showcase how to do a wired connection, and then I'm going to be talking about how to connect it wirelessly, which I believe most people will opt for. For a wired connection, it's as simple as locating the 3.5mm headphone jack on your laptop, and usually there will be a cable that is already connected to the JBL headphones. All that you have to do is plug it in here. So immediately upon plugging in the JBL headphones using the proper cable, all of the audio coming through your laptop will now go over to the JBL headphones. As I've said before, usually these cables are going to be attached to the JBL headphones, so you only have to connect them to your laptop. But if needed, connect one end into the laptop and the other one into the headphone port available on the JBL headphones. Now, if you want to connect them wirelessly, go over to the system tray and then click on it at the bottom right corner of the screen and you should see Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth, and now under Bluetooth and devices, first make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. With this done, choose the option to add a new device and make sure that your JBL headphones are in pairing mode. To enable pairing mode on most models, all that you have to do is press and hold the power button. If you notice that this doesn't put it into pairing mode, check the manual for your particular model. You will either have to press and hold the power button or do a specific combination of buttons. See if there is a dedicated Bluetooth button on your model as well. Now, once it is in pairing mode, you will see these LEDs flash, indicating that it is now looking for nearby devices to pair with. And if you look under the list of available devices on your laptop, the JBL headphones should appear here, as long as Bluetooth was enabled and you set them into pairing mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL headphones to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.